Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the American Express Centurion card. Often called the Black Card, this exclusive offering comes with a suite of premium benefits designed for high net worth individuals. We'll explore everything from its unparalleled travel perks and dedicated concierge service to its unique access to events. Understanding the card's value proposition is key, especially given its significant annual fees and strict eligibility criteria. Let's dive in and see if this prestigious card is truly worth the investment for you. The Centurion card offers an array of unparalleled benefits. Cardholders receive top-tier elite status with several luxury hotel chains and airlines, enhancing every travel experience. Imagine complimentary upgrades, late checkouts, and priority boarding. A dedicated personal concierge is available around the clock to assist with nearly any request, from booking exclusive reservations to sourcing rare items. Furthermore, members gain access to private events, unique shopping opportunities, and airport lounge access, making every journey and experience truly exceptional. While the benefits are impressive, the Centurion card comes with considerable costs and strict eligibility. There's a significant initiation fee, often around $10,000 just to get started. Following that, annual fees typically range from $5,000 to $10,000, reflecting the card's premium services. American Express also requires cardholders to have a history of high spending on other Amex cards, usually exceeding $250,000 annually. This card is by invitation only, targeting individuals with exceptional financial profiles and spending habits. So, is the American Express Centurion card truly worth it? For those who frequently travel, enjoy luxury experiences, and can fully leverage its extensive benefits, the card can offer immense value. However, for others, the high fees might outweigh the perks. It's crucial to assess your personal spending habits and lifestyle to determine if this exclusive card aligns with your financial strategy. Before you go, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.